Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you for tuning in to Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel that has been developed with the sole purpose of helping you navigate through your relationship challenges. It is my pleasure to bring to you today's topic, and I think it's a fun topic up to a certain extent because we're going to be discussing the F word and why allowing the F word will interrupt with your ability to implement a strategy. So what is the F word? I think we immediately go to the F word. No, we're not going to be discussing that F word. That we can discuss at another video. Today, we're going to be discussing the F word that really interrupts with our ability to implement a strategy. Let's go with number one, fear. Our fear of losing our partners. When we go into any type of no contact or distance or implementing not being there available, not responding immediately, we become so fearful that because of that, we're going to lose our partners without really realizing that the worst has already happened. We're broke up. Now we need to have a clear mind, focus, so that we can literally go back to recapturing their attention in the way that we want them, not with overpowered by fear of desperation, of, doing this whole tech situation of the cell phones, of everything. You need to pull back. Your fear of failure will make you fail. Another F that we should discuss is frustration. So why does every day have more than 24 hours when we are in no contact or when we are literally separated from those we love? It seems like the time just goes by so slowly and the frustration builds. They haven't reached out. They're not here. This is not working. What am I going to do? And you start creating all these horrible, unnecessary aggravations within. Your stress level goes up. You start losing the focus. And you just need to pull back and say to yourself, no, this takes time. It's not going to be an overnight success. I need to rebuild it. I need to be able to strategize in such a way that, yes, my absence does create a presence. Yes, they miss me. They want to reach out. It's normal. But you need to be able to overcome the frustration. Another F is when we normally become victims, or we try to become victims when there is a breakup, specifically when we've been dumped. So we consider ourselves faultless, not so fast. We need to really take into control of our own emotions and say to ourselves, where did we participate? Why did they break up with us? Why do we no longer have a relationship? We're not faultless. We are part of the equation of the breakup, of which led to the breakup. And there's a little bit of power to that because it really takes you away from the victim mode. Finally, and for the purpose of this video, I think that one of the biggest things that we fear, that gives us a frustration behind it, is that we are forgettable. And yes, that's sometimes, that can happen with time. But does it really evolve immediately? No, we are not forgettable. We always leave an imprint behind. And the purpose, if you haven't burned too many bridges, of keeping your distance is precisely that, is so that those negative feelings, that static feeling that they have regarding you as to why they broke up, starts to dissipate, starts to diffuse. They start remembering good times. They start remembering the reason that they were with you in the first place. So please focus on the F word, my F words, not your F word. And with that, become a strong, convey happiness, work heartily on a strategy to get your ex back. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and put your comments below. Tell me your F words. Let's talk about them. I think they're many of them, much more than the F words that I've mentioned, it would be my pleasure to have a coaching session with you and really, really dive in to our F words. Until such time, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you.